Hello and welcome to the SAWS Connector Release Spotlight, the video series in which our team at SAWS showcases the key features and enhancements of our latest releases. In this episode, we're diving into the highlights of the version 1.20 of the SAWS Connector. Let's take a closer look at what's new and how these updates can enhance your experience. Ursula AI Control Hub. To support the scale and flexibility of our current and new AI features, a centralized solution was needed. Introducing the AI Control Hub, a center component of the SAWS Connector, allowing you to assign your preferred AI and model to a purpose. Each of our AI features is assigned to one of these purposes, so they act like a sort of grouping. With the AI Control Hub, the SAWS Connector now supports the AIs Mistral, ChatGPT and Azure OpenAI. Simply add the API key of your preferred AI and the Control Hub will automatically download our recommended models. These can, of course, be overwritten with different models of your liking, but if the recommended mapping is used, it will also be updated daily should our team recommend new and different models. Ursula AI Description Active Job. We've added a new active job to the connector suite that can automatically populate a description attribute using existing image and item data. Among its many use cases, this feature comes just in time for the upcoming EU Accessibility Act, which requires alternative text for all web images. These descriptions can be effortlessly generated using AI models with image capabilities such as GPT-4o or Pixtra Large, helping you stay compliant while saving time. Ursula AI Item Population Active Job. Similar to the previously mentioned Description Active Job, this newly added active job goes a step further. It can populate multiple attributes at once using existing media and product data. Even more powerful, it can automatically create new value range entries when needed. This is especially useful for enriching product specifications with details extracted from images or descriptions, helping you automate even more of your data enrichment workflow. Ursula AI Product Group Assignment Active Job. Sorting products from an unsorted folder, like an inbox, into your product trees can be a time-consuming task. That's why we've introduced a new active job that automates this process. It intelligently sorts the products from a specified folder into the most suitable product trees, using AI to determine the best target folder for each item. All new and existing Ursula AI features were given a section of their own in our wiki. Check it out to learn more on how to use them. Enhanced usability with improved logging and refined design. We've made several usability enhancements to the connector. Alongside design tweaks such as more consistent color usage and a cleaner visual presentation, we've added helpful links to our wiki directly within the UI. These links provide quick access to the documentation for the specific connector component you're viewing. Logging has also been significantly improved. At the end of each job, the connector now generates a comprehensive KPI full log entry, summarizing the performance of all formats across every process and package. In addition, the connector now supports warnings in the logs. These can also be configured through conditions, and unlike errors, completed jobs with warnings are not seen as erroneous. That means incremental exports will still proceed, but you will be notified of any potential issues worth reviewing. And yes, we've added a few more progress bar vehicles, because let's be honest, what's a connector update without some fresh progress bar flair? Media Data Hub connector support. The OWL Data Hub is our highly flexible, always available cloud storage solution for data of any structure. With the latest update, we've introduced the Media Data Hub, an extension that lets you link media assets just as flexibly as your data. While the Data Hub can be accessed by any implementation, the dynamic JSON connector now offers built-in support to not only populate collection data, but also upload media files directly into a media collection using content-served presets. We'll walk you through the Data Hub and its new media capabilities in an upcoming video, which will be linked in the description as soon as it's available. In the meantime, you can explore more details in our wiki. SAWS Table Storage Format. Similar to the content-serve item storage format, we've added a new data map format allowing you to store exported values into our SAWS tables, meaning price, stock, sales channel or complex article tables. Typical use cases include calculating additional price types based on existing ones, conditionally controlling the state of a sales channel, or copying existing category assignments into specific sales channels. Context parameter translations and sections. All connector jobs can be configured with context parameters, which appear in the right-click export menu and allow for convenient external control of your exports. With the latest update, these context parameters can now be translated and organized into sections using the GUI translation value range. This makes it much easier to manage and keep track of your parameters, especially as their number grows. Template-based emailing. Our job-related task for sending emails at the end of a job run has been significantly enhanced. You can now send visually rich emails using content-serve email templates. Simply upload your email template to the content-serve DAM and select it using the new configuration option. Don't have a template yet? No problem! We've provided a professionally designed sample template available for download in our wiki. It's easy to customize to match your corporate branding. Expanded connector support for new target systems. Our existing connectors have been significantly expanded to support and streamline connections to a wider range of target systems. We've added a WooCommerce transmitter to the dynamic JSON connector, enabling seamless integration with the popular open source e-commerce platform. To help you get started, a public station template is available in the OWL cloud. The dynamic JSON connector also now supports the Azure Storage Queue as a transmitter. This provides an alternative to AMQP, allowing for reliable message processing and transmission between distributed applications using Microsoft's messaging infrastructure. We've introduced two new formats to enhance Shopify integrations. The media upload format, which lets you upload media such as images and videos to Shopify quickly and easily. The meta field format, designed to populate or clear Shopify item meta fields. Given the complexity of Shopify's meta field structure, this format intelligently adapts the data structure to match the target field. Both formats include public templates to simplify configuration and speed up onboarding. The GenericXML connector has also received a major flexibility boost with the introduction of the language placeholder format. This feature allows you to insert language-dependent XML snippets into your export, which are then merged across all exported languages. Now, the language layer can be placed anywhere in the XML structure, offering far more customization than before. Building on the language placeholder feature, we've introduced the new Salesforce Variations format. It generates variation attributes, variants, and variation groups based on your existing variation data and complex articles, supporting multiple variant layers and attributes. As with the others, a public template is available to help you get started right away. That wraps up this edition of the SAWSConnector Release Spotlight. We hope you're as excited about these new features and enhancements as we are. As always, you can find detailed documentation and resources in our wiki, and if you have questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to our team. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next update.